Hi guys, welcome to CodeMine. Carry here. So in this video we are going to understand what is the functionality and use of our register storage class. So let's start with the program and we will understand this thing. And it's a very simple thing, right? A local variable and a simple register variable, there is a no difference in that, right? So the value which we need to store into a CPU's register, right, that is known as a register variable, or you guys can say the register storage specifier we use there when we need to store the value in the CPU's register, right? The reason is only behind that is because we have a in a huge program we have certain value which we use frequently, right? And if we store that value into us in our hard disk or any other storage, then it will take a lot of time, right, to fetch that value, to store that value, right? We need to use that value again and again. So these kind of values we use to store into a register, right? So that is the reason we use register as a storage specifier. So how can we use that register? Register, simple, write down here int a is equal to 10, right? And please note here we can use integer and character values of, right? We can store integer, character and float values here. And here we have a int b is equal to 20, right? So rest there is a no difference into a register storage specifier. So we can check here printf and value of a stored in register to understanding in register percentage d, because it's a slash n for the new line. Here we have a and we have a printf value of b local variable, right? Percentage d, same thing, nothing is changed here. And we have here b. If we want to do sum of printf, again we want to do the sum of variable, sum of numbers. So what we can do here, we will take another variable, like I am writing down here c, int c is equal to a plus b. So you guys can see here simply I can do this thing and I am saving it out and I am trying to, so let me write down a simple get ch so that I can control this screen. So I am saving this file, so click on yes, then compile. So compile, error is there. What is that? Declaration is not allowed here. Okay, so it's saying me the declaration is not allowed here. So int c I need to write down here and let me do this thing here. So save, and again I need to compile this program. So you guys can see now the zero error is there, and now I am running this program and you guys can see now the register value is 10, the local variable is 20 and the sum of both number is 30. So that is the example of a register storage class. The 10 is now stored into a register, but this is only for a register, right? Like only related to the storage. Any storage specifier have a concern with the storage of a variable, right, or a value. Rest of the thing is very similar. We can use it as a local variable, global variable, then there is a no change. Just we need to keep in mind what the job of extern, what is the job of static, what is the job of register, right? So that is only related to the storage and the life of a variable. Rest uses of a register variable or extern variable or a static variable is very similar as a other normal variables. So hope you guys understand, and I want to cover the auto, the last storage class. Auto is like a default storage class. Here we have example of b, right, int b, that comes under the auto storage class, and we think that I think we do not need to create a separate video for auto storage class. If need, please do comment into the comment box, and hope you guys are enjoying these sessions. And if you guys have any query, any question, do not forget to comment into the comment box, and also subscribe our channel by hitting the subscribe button below this video and share with your friends and family. Thanks for watching. Have a very good day.